Ever wondered if your pool meets safety standards? Ensuring the safety of a pool isn't just about knowing how to swim. It involves a thorough inspection of the pool fence and understanding compliance requirements to avoid accidents. Mir from Local Pool and Spa Inspection prepared a comprehensive checklist for the pool owners to describe the regulation in an easy-to-understand way. With over 16 years of experience in the building industry, specializing in local governments in New South Wales and Victoria, Mir is your go-to professional for all your building inspection needs. As a recognized VBA-registered building inspector, Mir brings expertise and extensive knowledge of swimming pool regulations and Australian standards, AS 1926.1 1986, AS 1926.1 1993, AS 1926.1 2007, and AS 1926.1 2012. So, let's dive into these requirements, broken down into digestible steps. Firstly, the fence around the pool should stand at least 1,200 millimeters from the ground level. This height is crucial to prevent any accidental falls into the pool, especially for small children. Now let's move on to the gate. The gap between the pool gate and the glass panel or post near the latch should not exceed 10 millimeters. If it does, consider adjusting the glass panel or providing latch shielding for pool gates. The gaps between the bottom of the swimming pool fence or gate and the ground level should not be more than 100 millimeters. To achieve this, consider using durable and solid materials or readjusting the panel. If you choose to readjust the panel height, ensure the panel stands 1,200 millimeters from the existing ground level. The pool gate should open away from the pool and automatically self-close and self-latch from every open position. If steps or concrete outside obstruct the pool gate, consider removing them to allow the gate to open without obstruction. The latch release on the pool gate should be at least 1,500 millimeters from the ground. This prevents children from reaching the latch and potentially opening the gate. Consider the placement of horizontal fence rails. The distance between them should be at least 900 millimeters. Similarly, the distance between pool gate hinges should be at least 900 millimeters. If not, please rearrange and spread apart the hinges so that they are more than 900 millimeters apart, or provide a hinge safety caps on both hinges. Let's consider the outside of the pool fence now. There should not be any climbable objects within 900 millimeters from the top of the fence. If you have any steps, planters, pool pump, outdoor air conditioner unit, etc., considering relocating them so that all the climbable objects will be more than 900 millimeters from the top of the fence. If you have any trees, trim all the branches so that there is no climbable objects within 900 millimeters. The boundary fence height needs to be 1,800 millimeters. If a boundary fence beam is within 900 millimeters from the top of the timber or color bond fence, provide palings or a cement sheet on top of the beam. The spacing of the vertical bars should not exceed 100 millimeters. To achieve this, consider providing a solid material or rearrange the vertical bars. GPOs, garden beds, decks, or trees should not be positioned just inside the pool fence within 300 millimeters. Consider providing perspex on the outside of the pool fence to block access or cut the tree branches. Finally, all the openable parts of the windows are to be fitted with a catch, bolt, lock, or other stop so that the openable part of the window cannot be opened more than 100 millimeters. In summary, pool fence compliance revolves around three main points: maintaining proper heights and gaps for the fence and gate, ensuring self-closing and self-latching gates, and preventing climbable objects near the fence. You can give a call to Local Pool and Spa Inspection on 0430970020 to discuss furthermore about your pool fence if you are not sure or need more explanation. After all, it is not easy to understand the pool standards, and we are happy to give you an obligation-free advice to make it compliant. According to the new pool regulations, if your pool spa built after 30th of April 2010, you have to submit compliance certificate to your council by 1st June 2024 to avoid a hefty fines.